Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the poem Land of Glories. Understanding the poem. Read the lines and answer the questions. Stories of heroism and courage have shaped our country's fate. Whose story of heroism and courage are being referred to? Rani Lakshmibai's and Ashoka the Great. How have they shaped our country's fate? Because of their bravery, Rani Lakshmibai fought against British, and Ashoka spreads the Buddhism to the many parts of the world. So for this, they shaped our country's fate. Are these stories true? Yes, the stories are true. In forests safe and sound, they are pristine beauty yet untouched. Whose pristine beauty is being talked about? It's talked about forest, sanctuaries and forest. What are the safe areas in the forests called? Sanctuaries. What is the meaning of the word untouched in this line? Untouched in this line is not damaged. Answer these questions. What are the things that go hand in hand in India? The things that go hand in hand are faith, friendship, unity, and love. What are the natural sights that greet the eye in India? Snow-capped mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans are the greet to our eye. What do our forts, temples and palaces sing of? Palaces sings of our history of our kings and queens. Name the 3 places of historical interest mentioned in the poem. Mughal Garden, Chittorgarh Tower and Taj Mahal in Agra. What are some of the things which show that our country has prospered? So the things that shows our country are prospered are the education for our children and the job for our youth. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the given words to complete the word pairs. The searched high and dash for her pencil box. High and low. Could you pass me some salt and dash, please? Salt and pepper. My father has been in and dash of the garage all day. In and out. Why don't you wear your black and dash dress today? Black and white. The children are playing hide and dash since morning. Hide and seek. Rima took off her wet shoes and dash and kept them at the door. Socks. Next. Circle the words in these sentences that show alliteration. What is alliteration? Alliteration means a letter is repeated in words placed next to each other. Okay, that is alliteration. Yes, yes, here sing sagas. Yes, yes. S is repeating in these two words. Okay. Circle the words in these sentences that shows alliteration. The lonely lion licked his lips hungrily. Lonely lion. L and L. Okay. Bobby bounced the ball in the backyard. Bounced. Bobby bounced. Baby. My sister happily helped me with my homework. Happily helped. H H. Polly the parrot always wanted a piece of my pizza. Polly the parrot. P P. The bunch of red roses was wrapped with a ribbon. Red roses. R R. Understood? For this we finished our poem Land of Glories. Tomorrow we will see the next lesson, The Horn in the Red Jersey. Okay. Thank you.